Oh, hey there, guys. It's me, William Campbell. I just had to go for a walk, 'cause, I wanted to get away from it all. So, yeah. What's that over there? Is that my bathroom? It is. How did it get here? I brought it here. Why? So nature could go to the bathroom. Nature doesn't go to the bathroom. Shh. Don't upset the nature. Okay. What happened to my sink? Well. Alright guys, I'm gonna drop the bathroom. Alright guys, here I come. Huh. Whoops. Wasn't me. And that's how it happened. You landed on my sink? Yep. I'm getting out of here. And I'm taking my bathroom too. But what about the nature? So remember, kids, that's why you should always be nice to nature. That's why you litter, right? Shut up!